We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the KAFRI RGB Headphone Stand with USB A&C Charger, a popular accessory designed to elevate any gaming or desktop setup. This product combines practical functionality with stylish aesthetics, making it a compelling choice for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. The KAFRI stand is designed not only to hold your gaming headset securely, but also to serve as a charging hub and a power strip, all wrapped up in a sleek, modern design with customizable RGB lighting. Many users have praised the stand for its sturdy build quality, which instills confidence that it can safely support a variety of headsets without risk of damage or instability. The RGB lighting is a standout feature, offering 9 different lighting modes and up to 16.8 million colors. This allows users to tailor the ambience of their gaming space to their personal preference, enhancing the overall gaming atmosphere. The lighting is controlled by a simple touch switch, making it easy to toggle through modes or turn off the lights entirely if preferred. This feature is especially appreciated by those who want the option of subtlety or vibrancy without needing additional software or complicated setup. The integrated USB charging ports are another major highlight. The stand includes one USB-C port and 2 USB-A ports, each capable of delivering up to 2.4 amps for fast and efficient charging. This design allows gamers to charge multiple devices simultaneously, such as smartphones, tablets, gaming controllers, or wireless headsets, without cluttering their desk with multiple chargers. The USB-C port is particularly useful for newer devices, although it is noted that it does not support charging for the iPhone 15. The stand also features 2 AC power outlets, compatible with a wide range of devices, including gaming consoles like PS5, PS4, Xbox Series XS, and VR systems such as MetaQuest 2/3. This expands the utility of the stand beyond just headset storage, making it a versatile power hub for various gaming peripherals and accessories. Safety is a key consideration in the design of the KAFRI stand. It is constructed with a fire-resistant and hardened plastic outer shell, which reduces the risk of flammability and electrical hazards. Inside, premium circuitry and a microchip provide multi-protection against overload, short circuits, and overcurrent issues. This ensures that both the stand and connected devices are safeguarded during use. Users have found the setup process to be quick and straightforward, with the stand arriving ready to assemble in just seconds. The included 5-foot detachable power cord adds flexibility in positioning the stand on or around the desk. Many reviewers have noted that the stand has held up well over time, showing no signs of wear or performance degradation even after extended use. The stand's design also caters to convenience. For example, one user described pairing the stand with a magnetic USB cable to make charging their wireless headset effortless. Simply placing the headset on the stand initiates charging without fiddling with cables, which is a thoughtful touch for those who value ease of use. While the majority of feedback is highly positive, some users have reported occasional issues such as the stand not powering on after a period of use. However, these instances appear to be rare and sometimes resolved by troubleshooting power sources. Overall, the KAFRI RGB headphone stand is widely regarded as a great addition to any gaming desk. It combines a sturdy and stylish headset holder with a practical charging station and power strip. The RGB lighting adds a customizable flair that appeals to gamers looking to personalize their setups. The multiple charging ports and AC outlets provide excellent versatility, allowing users to keep all their essential devices powered and organized in one place. This product is especially recommended for gamers who want to reduce desk clutter, enhance their gaming environment, and enjoy the convenience of integrated charging options. If you own this stand or are considering it, sharing your own experience in the comments can help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. In summary, the KAFRI RGB headphone stand with USB A&C Charger is a functional, well-built, and visually appealing accessory that has earned high praise for enhancing gaming setups with both style and practicality.